Tired of juggling a million different passwords for all your websites and apps? There's a super handy tool built right into your Windows computer that can make your life so much easier and more secure. It's called Credential Manager. To find it, just go to the search bar on your taskbar and type Credential Manager. Click on the control panel result that pops up. Once you're in, you'll see all the usernames and passwords you've saved for websites, apps, and networks. They're neatly organized into web credentials and Windows credentials. From here, you can easily view, edit, or even delete old login information you don't need anymore. This is a great way to clean up your digital footprint and boost your online security. No more forgetting passwords or using the same one everywhere. Take control of your digital identity with Credential Manager. Well, let's deep into a powerful, yet often overlooked, feature in Windows that can seriously level up your digital security and make your life a whole lot easier. We're talking about the Windows Credential Manager. Now, you might be thinking, what on earth is that? Well, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using it to manage your online life like a boss. So, what exactly is the Credential Manager? Think of it as your personal, highly secure digital vault built right into your Windows operating system. Every time you log into a website and your browser asks if you want to save your password, or when you connect to a network drive at work, or even when you sign into an application like Microsoft Office or Skype, Windows needs a place to store those usernames and passwords. That place is the Credential Manager. It's designed to securely hold all of these login details, so you don't have to remember hundreds of different passwords or, even worse, reuse the same one everywhere, which is a major security risk. The beauty of this tool is its convenience. It works silently in the background, automatically filling in your credentials when you revisit a site or reconnect to a network. This seamless experience saves you time and a lot of frustration. But the real power comes from being able to actively manage these stored credentials. Over time, we accumulate a massive digital footprint, and keeping track of it is crucial for our security. The Credential Manager gives you a centralized hub to see, edit, and delete all the login information that Windows has saved for you. Let's get practical. How do you actually find this magical tool? It's incredibly simple. All you need to do is go to the search bar on your Windows taskbar. Just start typing Credential Manager. You'll see the Credential Manager control panel pop up in the search results. Click on that and you're in. No complicated steps, no hidden menus. It's right there, waiting for you. Once you open it, you'll notice the interface is clean and straightforward. You'll see two main categories: web credentials and Windows credentials. This separation is super helpful. Let's break down what each one does. First up, web credentials. As the name suggests, this section is all about your internet life. It stores the login information for websites you've accessed through browsers like Microsoft Edge and, historically, Internet Explorer. For each entry, you'll see the website URL, the username you used, and the password, which is hidden for security. This is your go-to spot if you've forgotten a password for a specific website or if you need to update it. For example, let's say you just changed your password on a social media site. You can come in here, find the old entry, and either edit it or remove it completely to prevent any login conflicts. Removing old credentials for sites you no longer use is also a fantastic security practice. It's like digital spring cleaning. Now, let's talk about the other category, Windows credentials. This section is a bit more technical, but just as important. It handles credentials for things within the Windows ecosystem itself and your local network. This includes logins for other computers on your network, servers, network drives, and even certain applications that use Windows Authentication. For instance, if you regularly access a shared folder on a server at your office, the credentials to access it would be stored here. It also manages logins for Microsoft services like OneDrive or your Microsoft account itself. This ensures a seamless single sign-on experience across different Microsoft apps and services. You can manage these credentials in the same way as web credentials view, edit, or remove them as needed. This is particularly useful in a corporate environment or if you're a system administrator who needs to manage access permissions. So, why should you actively use the Credential Manager? The primary reason is security. We're constantly told to use strong, unique passwords for every account. But how can anyone possibly remember dozens of complex passwords? The Credential Manager solves this problem by securely storing them for you. This frees you up to create truly random and strong passwords for each site, knowing that Windows has your back. Furthermore, it gives you full control over your stored data. Maybe you used a public computer once and accidentally saved your login details. You can log into your own machine later, open the Credential Manager, and remove that credential, ensuring no one else can access your account. Or perhaps you've stopped using a particular online service. Instead of just leaving that digital ghost floating around, you can proactively delete the saved credentials, tightening your digital security perimeter. It's about being in the driver's seat of your own digital identity. Let's walk through a quick scenario. Imagine you've forgotten the password for an old forum you used to visit. You know you saved it in your browser. Instead of going through the whole forgot password rigmarole, you can just pop open the Credential Manager. Go to Web Credentials, scroll down to the forum's URL, and click on it. You'll see an option to show the password. Windows will ask for your main computer password or PIN for verification. This is a key security step to prevent anyone with physical access to your unlocked computer from stealing your passwords. Once you verify your identity, voila! The password is revealed and you can copy it and log in. What about updating a password? It's just as easy. Let's say you've updated your email password. You can find the entry for your email provider in the web credentials, click Edit, and type in the new password. This ensures that the next time you log in, the correct updated password will be used automatically. This proactive management prevents those annoying incorrect password errors and potential account lockouts. Another powerful aspect is its role in network and application management. If you work in an office, you might have mapped network drives that require a specific username and password. If those credentials change, you can simply go into the Windows Credentials section, find the entry for that network server, and update it. This prevents access issues and keeps your workflow smooth. The same applies to applications. If an app like Outlook is having trouble connecting to your email server, a good first troubleshooting step is to check the Credential Manager for any old or incorrect credentials related to that account. Removing them often forces the application to re-authenticate with the correct details, solving the problem instantly. While modern browsers like Chrome and Firefox have their own built-in password managers, the Windows Credential Manager serves as a more integrated, system-level solution, especially for Windows-specific services and network resources. It's the underlying system that many applications, including Microsoft Edge, rely on. Understanding how it works gives you a more complete picture of how your digital identity is managed on your machine. In conclusion, the Windows Credential Manager is more than just a simple password storage box. It's a comprehensive tool for managing your digital credentials across websites, applications, and networks. It enhances your security by enabling you to use stronger, unique passwords without the burden of remembering them. It offers convenience by automating logins, and most importantly, it gives you the control to review, update, and clean up your stored credentials, ensuring your digital footprint is secure and up-to-date. So, I encourage you to take a few minutes after this video to explore the Credential Manager on your own computer. You might be surprised at what you find stored in there. Take the opportunity to do a little digital housekeeping. Remove credentials for sites you no longer use and make sure everything else is current. It's a small step that can make a huge difference in your online security. That's all for today's deep dive. I hope you found this guide to the Windows Credential Manager helpful. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel. And for more tech tips and security guides, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future videos. If you have any questions or your own tips about using the Credential Manager, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.